Lanjut lagi guys, kembali lagi sama gua.
Thank you for retrieving those packages, but they were only a decoy. Sorry about that, but that's sometimes the way in business. My real objective was hidden on the plane all along. Unfortunately, the Port Authority seized the plane and were stripping it down until I intervened at great personal expense. Cross the bridge to Shoreside Vale and go to Francis Anne National Airport. I've paid off the officials. My property will be waiting for you at the customs hangar in the aircraft fuselage.
Oh, di sini. Karena aku hilang. Ada pakai di sini.
Good news for commuters from Shoreside. Engineers have finally managed to repair the damaged mechanism on the Staunton lift.
Mana sih dia tuh? Keren.
Good news for commuters from Shoreside. Engineers have finally managed to repair the damaged mechanism on the Staunton Lift Bridge, and it is now open to traffic flow.
Aduh, jauh lagi.
Good news for commuters from Shoreside. Engineers have finally managed to repair the damage. Good news for commuters from Shoreside. Engineers have finally managed to repair the damaged mechanism on the Staunton Lift Bridge, and it is now open to traffic flow both to and from Shoreside Vale.
Hey, it is Head Radio. I'm Michael Hunt. You can call me Mike. With another factory non-stop rock from the station that can give you more because we pay.
Astaga.
I used to be concerned and nervous about the future. Sometimes I'd get scared before an important event such as childbirth or a family funeral. Hey, sometimes... That's when I discovered Equinox.
After the divorce and losing little Tommy, life was getting me down. I couldn't focus on anything. After trying Equinox, I've been Employee of the Month 3 times in a row. I used to fall unconscious for hours at a time. Now with Equinox, that's your pharmaceutical. Ask your doctor about Equinox today.
Equinox may cause nausea, loss of sleep, blurred vision, leakage, kidney problems, and breathing irregularities. Disconnected Equinox if you're operating machinery, driving a car, pregnant, childbearing, regenerating, having food disorders.
Equinox, softening life's harsh reality.
Here's one that brings down the house when I do my weekly Michael Hunt's Rock and Roll Jam at Liberty City's premier bowling alley. I'm Mike Wheels and...
Tenang deh. Wah, ini dia pesawatnya tuh. Astagfirullahaladzim. Apa pula? dia malah
Soon coming, we'll be rocking steady on the beat of the morning. Peacemaker, Paris Walsh, giving you the best of the best. Only on Kinja.
The Lord said, love thy brother as thyself, and everything will be made possible unto you, because
itu apa? Itu tuh kayak mau cari Santa ya tuh, kayak Minion ya. Bisa loncat dulu. Apa gerak? Wadak. Apa nih? Sabar. Gua cari dulu. Salang ya. Ya Allah. Oke, kita oke. Mana sih dia? meledak nih, hah? Amat ada kanan. Oke. Oh, kena kau. Astaga. Oh, kena kau, kena. Yes, aman. Shh, jangan ada itu. Ada musuh di situ.
Hey, let's
Oh, itu
this out.
bukan.
God knows what it is, but he's still wanting badly enough, so it must be with someone.
Hey, take it easy, amigo. No hay nada.
I am pouring our heart out into the gutter.
Hey, don't shoot, amigo. No problem. We all friends.
This
Take this. Hey, we got no choice, baby.
choice, dumb bastard.
I'm sorry about the crazy beats, man. They all the same, please. Por favor.
So, the whole got away. But you've done me a favor. You're not the only one that has a score to settle with the cartel. This worm killed my brother.
I never killed your yakuza.
We all saw the cartel assassin. We are going to hunt down and kill all you Colombian dogs. I'll be operating on our friendship to extract information. And it was a pleasure. You, drop by later. I'm sure I'll require your service.
Please, amigo. Don't let me hear with her. She's psycho, chico, man. Please, amigo. Hey, amigo.
Jatuh dia. Bukan. Mati. Oke, Asik kembali lagi. Oke, kita sini yuk. Jaga bersih banget tuh. Yes, oke. Mana deh? Oke, begitu sekian dulu. Jangan lupa subscribe dan subscribe. Bye bye.